Hi, I'm Krista Covey, President of First Flight Venture Center. First Flight is an incubator for science-focused companies located in the Research Triangle Park. Our mission begins and ends with providing support to early-stage businesses while they develop innovative technologies. Our members are able to utilize laboratory and office space with affordable and flexible leases, get access to educational programs, management guidance, and technology support services. With this mission in mind, we are pleased to have received a $2.6 million Venture Challenge Award from the EDA to scale the services provided by our one-of-a-kind advanced prototyping facility, Hangar6. Hangar6 features prototyping design assistance and additive manufacturing equipment ranging from 3D printers, a CO2 laser cutter, a metal fiber laser, an automated CNC mill, metal bending equipment, a wood shop, welding shop, and much more. Hangar6 memberships are offered monthly, annually, and we even have team memberships available as well to make it easy for you to prototype your products. I'm here to announce the new equipment and specialized programs that are a part of our Hangar6 initiative. At Hangar6, we will add upgrades to existing equipment and add new precision equipment such as advanced metal laser cutters and new 3D printers. We have restructured some of our memberships to accommodate even more individuals like our 3D printing only memberships. We will also be increasing access to expert design staff and access to even more engineers, serial entrepreneurs, design experts, and business consultants. And finally, we will be offering a wide range of educational seminars and masterclass workshops. We have key collaborators to deliver the exciting new programs, including Touchstone 3D, Trig Labs, Research Triangle Regional Partnership, iOrbit Digital Solutions, Eva Garland Consulting, and a host of match partners, including engineering, economic development, marketing, design experts, and business consultants as a part of the ideation to prototyping team assistance. But to kick things off, we want to tell you about Talking Shop, an informal information exchange between prototyping enthusiasts, both new to the game and seasoned pros. And while Hangar6 has amazing equipment, our most valuable asset is shop manager Sam Durrani. Sam will tell you about Talking Shop, and I encourage you to join in, ask questions, make connections, and just generally talk shop. Sam?
Thanks, Krista. Welcome everyone to Hangar6. I am Sam Durrani, the shop manager here. As Krista mentioned, we are introducing a variety of new programs, including Talking Shop. Talking Shop will be a monthly interactive open house with the goal of bringing together experienced entrepreneurs with budding entrepreneurs, startups, or small manufacturers that are learning design and prototyping principles. This program will be held virtually for now, but eventually will be held in person at Hangar6, surrounded by the various equipment we have available. Starting on December 8th at 11:30 a.m. and each month after, we will have a different professional participating. With decades of combined experience, they will share with us everything they've learned about starting their new venture, how they solve their prototyping dilemmas, tips they've learned along the way, and how they might have used a particular technology or a process to take their idea through the iterative development process. Our goal is to be interactive and informal. We hope all participants will bring their problems to the table, and I hope you'll leave inspired and hopefully with some ideas on possible solutions and alternative approaches to your project. Our first guest speaker at a Talking Shop will be Samuel Fox. Sam received his biomedical engineering degree from Duke University and is the founder and CEO of Seneca Devices, a medical device startup located at First Flight Venture Center. Sam's company is developing a patient repositioning device for use by caregivers within a hospital. We've been working with Sam for a while as he's taken his vision from idea to prototype to funding. And as a reminder, for any of your design and prototype needs, you can learn more and contact us at hangar6.org. That's www.hangarsix.org. So please keep an eye out for that invite, and we look forward to seeing you all on December 8th at 11:30 a.m. Have a great day and stay safe.
Please check the hangar6.org website, that's hangarsix.org, for ongoing updates for Talking Shop and the other amazing design thinking, ideation, and other programs that will be offered over the next 3 years.